So hey guys, this is the gaming chair that I'm talking about. So Amazon just sent it to me. I guess one thing that I want to let you know, I was wondering earlier what is this for, so now I found out this is so it's the blue chair. It looks like a Ricardo racing car. This is a really nice gaming chair. Exciting guys, really exciting. So there you go guys, I just opened up the box. So this is basically the base on the bottom. Now for any of you that haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so click the subscribe button on the bottom here guys. So it's free to subscribe, and again, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that way when I upload a new video you will get the notification for it. So hey guys, this is the gaming chair that I'm talking about. So Amazon just sent it to me. So this is the gaming chair. It looks pretty cool. It all has that cushion on the top, and also they have a lumbar support as well. The box quite big and it's pretty heavy. It's about 19 kilogram. Yeah, so in this video I'm gonna show you this new gaming chair that I just received and how to assemble it. So there you go guys, I just opened up the box. So this is basically the base on the bottom, and not sure what that is yet. This is all the screw that comes with it. It has a blue color in it. It's very nice. And wow. This is basically just to say thank you that we are buying the chair, or I'm getting one. And on the back, it's basically the assembly, how to assemble this chair. So the blue chair, it looks like a Ricardo racing car. This is a really nice gaming chair, and it has a diamond stitches pattern as well on the inside. What? Yeah, the leather feels really nice. The material feels really good. So this is, after all, seems to be a really nice and good chair. And inside here, that's the pillow cushion for the headrest. It also has the blue on the side. It's really nice, looks very sporty. And this is the lumbar support. Again, everything is the two-tone color, which is the black and blue, which is really nice. And this is the chair base, the bottom part of it. It also has a blue on the side. It's very exciting guys. So last but not least, this is the wheel. The wheelbase on the bottom. As you can see, it also has a blue color in it, and it looks like a very nice sporty rim. So let me open one of them, and I want to see how well is this wheel spin, because sometimes the quality of the wheel, it's not so great, right? So, well, it feels to be spinning very well. Okay, so I'm gonna just dive in and start assemble this chair, and I'm gonna show you step by step of it, and when I'm done. So hey guys, as you can see, I'm done the first step, which is attaching the back along with the seat base. So this is how it looks now so far. It looks already like a chair, except no handrest, no the wheel yet and stuff like that. So the only thing they use is they use two screws on each side, one on the right side and two on the left side. So this is the screw that they use to attach the back to the base, basically. Alright, so now I'm gonna continue, go to the second step, and I'm gonna show you when it's done. Alright, so the next step guys, now this is a plastic cover. I was wondering earlier what is this for, so now I found out this is apparently step number 2. So what we do, as you can see, you can see the hinge, which is kind of look quite ugly. So this cover with this small little tiny screw here, we are going to attach it to cover up the hinge. So I'm just gonna start with this side. So this is basically how it goes. So number one, it's kind of clap in here. It has a hole. Now you put the Allen key in. Now you just gotta find the hole. Once you find the hole, and you just gotta have to screw it in, and that's it. Voila. There you go. See? I find the hole, and all you gotta do is just finish screwing it up. And all done. So now we are gonna go to step number 3. The third and the fourth step, it's actually together. So the third step is actually installing this mechanism in the back, and then the fourth step is installing the armrest in the back. So the armrest, it's pretty plain and simple. It's just black plastic. It has a slight cushion in here, and it also it can play up and down. It's basically for you to adjust what's your level of comfort. And also, when you're installing the armrest in the back behind underneath the seat, yeah, something that you gotta pay attention is, if you're looking at it, you can adjust the size of the screw, whether you want to go more towards to the left or to the right. So I guess it's depending on your body weight and body size, and which is good. So that means you can adjust it, so it's not just all in one size. I mean, it could be too tight for some people, right? I mean, I'm pretty skinny, so for me, even the tightest one is not gonna be a concern, because again, I mean, I'm pretty skinny. So yeah, let's just go ahead and install it, and I'll show you after. I guess one thing that I want to let you know, when you're installing this, make sure you pay attention to the arrow here. It says front and it has the arrow. It has to align with the sticker on the bottom that says front and has the arrow as well. So otherwise, all your hard working, you gotta undo it, and then you gotta flip it around, right? So I mean, no big deal, but it's just something that I would like to let you guys know, because it does not say anywhere in the manual to follow the arrow. Good thing I pay attention to it. So the next step will be installing the wheel on the base. And earlier today I showed you there is a blue color on the base, but because of the plastic, obviously we cannot see it clearly if there is a pattern in that blue. So the pattern looks actually really nice, make it looks very sporty. So now I installed 2 wheels. Installing the wheel quite easy. As you can see, there is a hole in the back here, and that's the metal base on the wheel. All you gotta do is just put the metal in until you hear a click. When you hear a click, and voila, and that's it. So you gotta repeat the same step for the rest of it. There you go. So, and one more here. Again, put it on the hole, and done. So now the next step will be installing the hydraulic. This is the hydraulic base. All we gotta do is just put it in the middle, and once we do that, now the other step that we have to do is just install this plastic cover in it, so that way it doesn't look ugly when it's open. Alright, so let me go to the next step. So as you can see, guys, the chair is basically done. This is the headrest. This is the lumbar support. So the headrest, there is 2 ways. The way I did it now is I just kind of put it on from the top. But the other way that you can do it is you can also open up the back and just put it through the hole. Once you put it through the hole, and you can just clip it on together. But for me, I found it this way, that the headrest seems to be very low when I sit on. So when I sit on, as you can see, the headrest seems to be under my neck, and I want the headrest to be in my neck. So that's why I kind of switch it around and I put it on the top in a different way. But it all depends on your preferences, really. So, and other than that, how to adjust, I mean, it's pretty normal on the side. That's how to adjust the height and the lower base, if you want it higher or you want it low. But to adjust the back, so again, because this is a gaming chair and this is a racing gaming chair as it says on the box, so on the side here there is a lever. So in this lever, all you gotta do is just lift it up, and then you can adjust whatever you want based on your comfortable level, whatever you want to use it. I mean, it can go fairly low, and then to go back up, just again raise it up, and voila, that's it. So after all, I'm very comfortable. The wheel very smooth. It feels comfortable. It feels nice. The diamond stitch is making it looks nice, making it looks elegant, and it's sporty. I like the blue color in it as well. The material is good, so I am satisfied. So yeah, I mean, if you guys interested, let me know. I can put the link in the description below. And guys, I would like to say thank you for all of you that has been subscribed to my channel. And now for any of you that haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so click the subscribe button on the bottom here, guys. So it's free to subscribe. And again, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, so that way when I upload a new video, you will get the notification for it. Alright guys, so thank you again for all your support, and stay tuned for my next video. I will upload a bunch of different gadget video that I have from my sponsor. I have a lot of Comica that I want to show you. I have a lot of electronic that I want to show you. So again guys, thank you again for watching my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Have a good one, guys.